So we've turned up to the door, completely jammed. They did give it a go themselves. It's not locking or unlocking. The lock is sort of stuck halfway round. So a bit of investigation as to why it's happened. There we go. So I've had to just take away a little bit more material behind where the handles sit, drill a hole as this sort of follower. I don't know if you can see. There's a follower there that basically snapped in half. So now I'm moving that across and it should be open. Now we just take the barrel out, unscrew all the screws, take the mechanism out, and then we'll swap over the gearbox for a new one. There we go. As soon as we've taken it out, this is the center section there that was basically getting wedged here. Now as the cam turns, it was only getting so far. This weren't allowing it to move freely behind it. So I had to drill that out, force that round, be able to then open it up. One of them. There we go. Now everything's back together. All works, all unlocks exactly how it should. Can't even tell I was here.